Another question. Due to medical reasons, some people are unable to fast. Could there be the flu or the cold, or would it have to be when you have become, like bedridden or hospitalized? I've already covered that. There are some cases where you can permanently not fast. Diabetes could be one of them. Okay, there are cases where you should not be fasting. There are some diabetic patients, they should not fast. Some diabetic patients can fast. So it depends on the person. And inshallah, all of these are valid excuses. Could be flu, could be cold. All of these are valid excuses, inshallah ta'ala. Okay? Long-term illness, short-term illness. Both of them you're allowed. One thing now, if it's a long-term illness, you cannot fast next year and the year and the year after. Start giving fidya. If you're not able to afford fidya also, how much is the fidya? Fidya is 2 meals basically for suhoor and iftar. You could give fidya to one family for the whole month, and that will cover for you. In fact, more than that. Let's say you are 3-4 people in a household, and there's a household that needs to fast 5-6 people. Put food for them, like with rice, wheat, and basic things with which they cook. It will cover everything. Anas ibn Malik radiallahu anh, when he became very old, Anas, Prophet made dua for him to give him long life. Anas lived 100 plus, 101, 102 years old. But when he was older, he could not fast. He literally would have a hand or two full with the dates, and that's all. That's all the fidya he gave. That's it. That's all you have to do, because you cannot make up. You should do fidya then. It's a hukum in the Quran. Same ayat of fasting. فَفِدْيَةٌ طَعَامُ مِسْكِينٍ. All right? And he did not give lots of food. Yes, companions gave 2.5 kilos of wheat or barley, this and that. It has to be, average food. If you don't have, you can't afford it, give whatever you have. It's okay. Even if you, let's say, bought 2 kilos of dates and that's it. That's all you can afford. That's your fidya for one person, inshallah. All right? That's why I gave you the minimum, the least number, inshallah.